Okay, so here we need to find some of the interior angles of the polygon, because we need to find basically x variable value. So what we have to do, we have to add all the given interior angles. That is nothing but 2x minus 50 plus x plus 140 plus 150 plus x plus 80 plus x plus 20 equals 6 minus 2 into 180, right? Now I need to add all these angles. So let us add all the angles. 2x plus x plus x plus 140, 80, x plus 20, x 150, and substitute the n with 6 minus 2 into 180, that will become 4 into 180. So let us take all the x terms one side, then it will become 5x plus 100 plus 240 equals 720. So this will become now 5x plus 340 equals 720. So 5x plus 720 minus of 340, right? So now 5x equals 720 minus 340. 720 minus 340 is nothing but 380. So 5x will be equal to, x will be equal to now 380 divided by 5. So what is x value now? 76, right? So we got the value of x. Let us substitute that in all the angles. For example, here the first one is 2x minus 50. So 2x minus 50, let us substitute in place of x 76. So 2x minus 50, in place of x let us substitute 76. 2 times 76 is equal to 152. So 152 minus of 50 is equal to 102. Let us find the second angle, x plus 140. So let us substitute the value of x, that is 76 plus 140, that will become 216. Third angle is known, so no need to do anything. The fourth angle is x plus 20. Substitute the value of x. In place of x we need to write 76 plus 20, that is equal to 96. And the fifth angle, x is equal to 76, because value of x is itself 76. The sixth angle is given. Now we need to add all the angles. So when you add all the angles, it will be sum up to 720. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. The value what we got for x, that is 76, is the right answer. Thank you.